Donkey, I'm always excited to talk about my wars.
And 2 men and wrestling. It's either that or a gang sign.
I'm Capetonian, Justice.
It's not a separate country.
Penny was a legend. Penny was
Yeah, my ancestors, they are amazeballs.
Maybe one day you'll pay back the money?
And maybe one day, pigs will fly.
Pay back the... pass me their tongues.
I love it when a braai comes together.
We support those who braai.
And those who stir fry.
Nice rhyming.
Thanks.
The earth is going to shake, and we're all gonna die.
Forget about my heritage and Google my damn bank balance.
And the lady has hips like Lucy.
An ex-girlfriend?
Op Kingdom style.